My name is P. Saktivel, Assistant Professor of English, Government College of Engineering, Salem. In this video, I am going to explain about recommendations. At first, look at the definition of recommendations. Recommendations means suggestions for better improvement of any system or any organization. Recommendations are nothing but they are suggestions for improvement of any system, organization or any company. Recommendations give suitable remedial measures to a particular problem or situations. So we are giving recommendations to a particular problem. If there is any problem, we are giving recommendations. So they are the remedial measures to a problem or any situation. Recommendations are useful for future enhancement in the marketing field or any industry. So recommendations are very useful for future improvement in the company or any industry. So while writing the recommendations, we have to follow some of the points. First point, recommendations should be written based on problems and findings. If there is any problem, we have to identify the problem and we have to give the solution to the problems. So based on the problem and the findings, we are giving recommendations. While writing recommendations, the passive form of the model auxiliary should be used. So passive form of the sentence structure can be used in recommendations. So model auxiliary verbs like can, must, should, would. So these model auxiliary verbs can be used in recommendations. The following phrases can be used. For example, it is recommended that, it is suggested that, it is advised to, etc. Sample 1. Write a set of recommendations for students who are appearing for the semester examination. Students should be seated in the examination hall at least half an hour before the commencement of the examinations. So look at the sentence structure. This is passive form. Model auxiliary verb should is used in this sentence. Hall ticket should be taken with you in the examination hall. ID card should be worn by the students. Attendance sheet should be signed in the examination hall. The instructions given by the invigilator must be strictly followed. The answer sheet given must be handled with care. Questions that you are very sure should be attempted first. Unfair practices must be avoided in the examination hall. The examination must be completed in time. Answer sheet should be handed over to the invigilator before leaving the room. So all the sentences should be written in passive form. Model auxiliary verbs can be used in recommendations. Look at the sample 2. Write a set of recommendations to maintain laptop carefully. Laptop should be kept on a flat and clean surface. Laptop must be lifted by its base, not by its LCD display. Placing heavy materials like books, box on the top of the laptop should be avoided. Laptop should be stored in a clean area. An updated antivirus should be installed. Buttons in the laptop should be pressed gently so that they do not get damaged. Food and liquid should be kept away from your laptop. Laptop should not be exposed to rapid temperature changes. So we have to avoid first person and second person pronouns in recommendations. For example, I, we. So these first person point of view, second person point of view should be avoided in recommendations. So all the sentence should be written in the third person point of view only. So passive form must be used. Model auxiliaries must be used in recommendations. Thank you very much for watching this video.